Okay. A very good morning, my dear students. It's time to start our class, and today about the, of course, we have been already started about the classification of computer, and in this chapter we have been already discussed many more things. What type of related uh, concept that you will get, you can concentrate. I will repeat one more time, and then we follow the same guideline also. Okay, thank you. Okay, my dear student, of course, we have already discussed there are four types of classification in computer, and that four types means number one, on the basis of work. On the basis of work, there are three types of computer: analog, digital, hybrid. On the basis of size, means on the basis of size, there are supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, etc. On the basis of work, on the basis of size, on the basis of model, on the basis of brand. Now we are discussing about on the basis of size, and there on the basis of size there are different types of computer like supercomputer, main computer, mini computer, etc. So in our last classes we have already discussed about the supercomputer and mainframe computer. I would like to remember some few points over here. Then we'll follow the other line. Okay. For your kind information, my dear student, I have already informed you supercomputer is one of the very expensive computer in this world. That type of computer help us to serve in the big industries. That type of supercomputer can help us to different types of big institutions, scientific research, etc. Yeah, yes. That type of computer can help us to serve in different types of related big hospital also. So about the related types of supercomputers, what is an example of that type of related supercomputers? I have been already explained. Excuse me, don't talk, please. Wait, I have to do lots of work here first. Okay, thank you. Okay, my dear student, we have already discussed in our last classes about the supercomputer. About the supercomputer, what is the example of the supercomputer? And we have already shared you the Cray 1, Cray 2, Deep Blue, yes, Deep Blue, and NEC 500, Cray YMP, Cray 2, etc. It's all are the example of the supercomputer, and that type of computer can help us in different types of located locations, like in scientific research place, uh, in a in a big institutions, in a big industries also. It has been written here: supercomputer is a computer at front line of current processing capabilities, particularly speed of calculation. This computer consists of several processors running together, thereby making them immensely faster and powerful. How the supercomputer can conduct different types of activity very clearly, like weather forecasting, weather environment, information about the weather, information about the different types of Google map, information about the different types of located place, how the Iran, how the Nepal can easily attack to Pakistan with the help of the missile, with the help of the supercomputer, like. Okay, so it's all are the related thing. That is the basic thing about that type of related computers. My dear student, let me explain. Basically, supercomputer is one of the most high powerful and very high speed of capacity it has. It their capabilities. It means it can solve. It can conduct hundred, not 100,000 trillion instructions per second. I would like to remember one more time, or you can say supercomputers can perform billions of instructions per second. We can easily attack with this computer by sending the missile, by launching the missile here from Pakistan directly, or any other place directly. We can easily find out the weather report. We can easily control the process. It's because of the supercomputer. This computer is the group of different types of processor. It has been written. These computers consist of several processors running together. Processors are several, but they are running in one in a one system like they are gathered over there. They can run together, thereby making them immensely faster and powerful. Okay, it is written here. These computers are capable of handling huge amount of calculation that are beyond human capabilities. They can perform billions instructions per second. So supercomputers are used for highly calculation intensive tasks. IBM Sequoia is the fastest in this world now. This is the latest information by the book, but we have different types of supercomputer examples like Cray 1, Cray 2, Deep Blue, XMP14, NEC 500, etc. are the example of the supercomputer. And you all are the genius student. You can filter from the book, and there is the different types of examples also. Okay, come to the next thing about the mainframe computer. This computer is also one of the big computer, or you can say this type of computer is also a type of high ultra high performance computer, that you can say high ultra power. It has been written, a mainframe computer is an ultra high performance computer designed by a handle huge volume of data and information. This computer can support more than 100 users at the same time. Basically, that type of related types of computer are using for the server, main server, like Google. Google are using that type of computer to store the data for the future. These computers can support.
सर
Yes,
सर यो कुन क्लासको छ
class 8.
सर 6 को कुन बेला हुन्छ त
Oh, okay. You already missed the class. Okay, okay. I have already shared. I will share the video. You can learn from the video also. Okay.
हुन्छ सर
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So it has been written here. These computers can support more than 100 users at the same time. 100 users. We all are 100 people here in our room. There is only one computer. How it is possible? Because of the mainframe computer. We can do lots of work. Your job is, you are doing the other job, I am doing the other job for the related environment. For example, you are typing something, I am designing another figure. Some writer is writing the script in the internet, in the server directly. Some writer is sketching the picture directly. Many more peoples are involvement over there. They are doing with the help of the one computer, and they are creating different types of work. As a whole, we can serve many fast than the other computer. So it has been written here, we can utilize this computer at least 100 users at the same time. The computers are very large and expensive. They have great processor speed, very large storage capacity, memory as compared of mini computers. The computers even passes and work with more than the processor at the same time. They are used for critical application by data processing such as sensors, industry, and consumer states. Main thing is here, so we need to concentrate here. They are used to critical application like data processing such as sensors. Our country, as for the regarding information that we have already know that Bikram Sambat 2028 in our country, our government were uh, taken a computer. That computer, you can remember that name of the computer. Can you? Anyone? Okay, okay, then I will share you. Let me explain. The census of 2028 28 BS 2028 census 2028 in our country. How many civilians are living here in our country? That census report is collected by the help of the mainframe computer, by the help of the that type of computer. That computer is known as IBM 1401. Can you remember? Can you remember anyone? Hello, are you getting me? Are you listening me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, of course. IBM 1401 was the computer. That computer was taken from the other country for the census of 2028 BSc in our country. Then after the 20 after Bikram Samvat 2028, the next computer is taken from the other side, ICL 2950/10. This is the fourth generation computer. ICL 2950/10 is also taken from the rent from the other country for the census of our, to count the civilians. How many workers are here? How many total civilians are here? All the record of the civilians with the help of the main computer, our government will count. So it's all are the related things of the processing, such as census, industry and consumer statics. Industry, why the mainframe computers are using the why the industries are using the mainframe computers? Because that computer can of course this computer is very expensive, and with the help of the one computer we can do lots of work, different types of related work. I have already explained the example. If we have 100 people, that 100 people who are working in the news section, like the Rising Nepal, the Kantipur publication, the another related things, like any example that you can that we can express, like Gorkha Patra. For example, we are working 100 people in the Gorkha Patra. Your job is to write the script. My job is for the design. Another job holder are doing creating the document. Another are creating the page. Lots of job are we have the same job, uh, we have the same related job, but another the features and the criteria is different. It means almostly we can say 100 people can solve one work with the help of the one computer. After the collection of 100 people's output, we can observe in one computer. That computer are also using the industry also. In the industry, we can easily control all the operation of industry directly. Your power fluctuation, your server, your network, your CC camera controlling, your networking, etc. Everything we can control with the help of the mainframe computer directly. The examples mainframe computer are ICL 39, CDC. It has been CDC 6600, and BAX 8842. It's all are the example of the main computer. Sorry, mainframe computer, not a main computer. Okay, about the mini computers, it's a small one. Your laptop, your mobile, small devices of like your tab, your calculator, etc. are the mini computers, etc. are the mini computers. It is mini computers are more powerful computers than the microcomputers in terms of processing power of capabilities. Many computers are mainly multi-user systems where many users seamlessly work off the system. Many computers possess greater storage capacity and large memories as compared of mini computers. We can express, so no need to worry about. Okay, so next thing is it has been there. These are even capable of handling more input-output devices. Let's explain how what is called mini computers and how it does work. So we can express here. We are going to ask about the Google. Give me an example of the mini computers. Okay, it has been written here. Wait. Give me an example of the mini computers.
According to IT release, Apple iPod is an example of touchscreen MP3 player. This is also the type of mini computer. iPod is a mini version of the iPhone. Mini computers are small-range computers which are intermediate between microcomputers and mainframe computers.
Okay, thank you. Let me explain, my dear friend. This is the information that we can take from the Google directly. Of course, mini computers is that type of computer that computer can utilize in different types of related purpose, and it has been written here. It's a small and powerful than the microcomputers. It has there the example mini computer passes greater storage capacity, large memories, and compute of microcomputers. These are even capable handling more input output devices. Many computers are used financial accounting, cost handling, sales analysis, and producting planning. Main thing is here, so we need to discuss here. Many computers are used to financial accounting. How? Because if you are using the calculator, it can help us to count the money fast than the manually. Financial accounting, we can direct utilize the calculator, a small mini one, a small calculator we can calculate, and with the help of the small calculator we can calculate billions of money directly. So it's all are the financial accounting. Cost handling, sales analysis also we can do with the help of the mini computers. With the help of the mini computers we can easily figure out the total sale today, total sale. For example, if you have a supermarket, for example, your market using that type of different types of mini computers to count the sales analysis, how many sales are doing every per day. That type of analysis we can do with the help of the mini computers. Like your sense analysis data, we can directly draw the picture. We can easily directly make the that type of related scaling units by the help of the figure, by using different types of graphics charts and production planning. That type of planning also we can prepare. If you are doing your personal, for example, if you are doing your personal mobile phone, like iPhone, for example, in the iPhone we can directly connect to the CC camera. We can directly watch your workers. If you are using that type of mobile, in your mobile all these types of terms and condition has been added by the user. Then you can easily watch which department, which worker is working or not. That we can easily find out from that type of device very clearly. So it has been written here, production planning also it will be controlled by the many computers directly. If you are using, if you have, let me explain, my dear
सर
student.
एंड्रॉइड में हुँदैन
Sorry,
सर एंड्रॉइड में हुन्छ कि हुँदैन एंड्रॉइड
एन्ड्रोइड
में हुन्छ कि हुँदैन सीसीटीभी
सब
क्यामेरा कनेक्ट
एकदम हुन्छ एन्ड्रोइडमा नि हुन्छ, एन्ड्रोइडमा नि हुन्छ. Okay, let me explain, my dear student. Any types of related device, those device has capability to perform different types of function. It can easily done, so no need to worry about. And I would like to remember you, my dear student, if you have 24 truck, let me explain. If you have 24 truck, which truck is located in which place right now, you can easily also watch with the help of the mini computers. How? It's because of the different types of internet activity or the networking. We can easily find out the location of that truck. That's because we can easily control the unwanted things, unbeneficial things. Okay, so come to the point. The example of mini computers are control data, CDC, CDC. There is the 160A and CDC 1700. It's all are the example of the mini computers. That is the important thing that you can easily learn by your books also. Okay, so the next thing is category of microcomputers. Okay, come to the point. Okay, this one I'm going to rotate it. That's because you can easily figure it out. Okay, thank you. Let's discuss about the another more example, another more thing. It has been written here. Categories of microcomputers. What is called categories? It has been written here. Microcomputers is a smallest general purpose processing system. It uses a microcomputers. It can be used by single person at a time. This six primary types of computers in the category as desktop computer, laptop computer, workstations, network computers, notebook, tablet, cellular phone, etc. Okay, please tell him, please. Okay. If there is any, if you have any problem, you can ask me directly. Okay, no need to raise your hand. Thank you. Okay, come to mine. It has been we are discussing about the category of microcomputer. I have already tell you my decision on the basis of work, on the basis of size, on the basis of model, on the basis of brand, and that type of computer which we are going to discuss here is all are the on the basis of size. Micro, mini, mainframe, super is all are the on the basis of size. So it has been written here your desktop computer. Come to find about the desktop of computer. Desktop computer is a personal computer built to be used on desks. Early desktop computer are designed to lay flat on the desks, while modern to towers and stand upright. Okay, a desktop computer typically comes in several units that are connected to the during installation, processor, etc. Okay, the processor which can in micro tower or mini tower designed to fit under the decks or input that unit that goes on top of the decks. The display about the monitor. It's all are the related things about the desktop computer. About the desktop computer that you have already visit in our lab, right? That type of related computers are known as the desktop computer. Basically, desktop computer are capable for the family computer that you can say. With the help of the desktop computer, our family can easily uh, send and receive the email. We can talk with the help of this desktop computer to other people directly. We can talk here from Australia, UK, Japan, Hong Kong, etc. directly with the help of the desktop, laptop, or your mobility system also. So, which one device you are using is depend on our facility. Solar depend on our activity or our advancement facility. It has been written. Basically about the desktop computer, that computer there is the basically keyboard, the monitor, the speaker, so the CPU, the mouse, the printer, etc., etc. Basically, desktop computer is desktop computer can use for the family environment and for the office also you can utilize. It is it is a little bit low cost than the other. It is the a little bit low cost than the other computer like tab, sorry, like your notebook, like Vivo. Your notebook, it means notebook means your laptop, like not a like laptop also called a notebook. So it has been written here about the desktop. That is the important thing you have to discuss. We need to discuss first. Okay, come to find about the laptop. Laptop is a battery or AC powered personal computer, generally smaller than briefcase, that can easily be transported and conveniently used in temporary spaces. They are equipped with the keyboard, mouse, trackball, and other pointing devices and video display monitor, liquid crystal display, and to display information. Laptop computers are more compact, have flat, lightweight, etc. Laptop computers, also called notebook, can be carried out in briefcase. Laptop computers are also called as they can sit on the lap. In our country, in our family environment, in our school, in our offices, there are different types of laptop computers are available. i5, i7, uh, then there is the Pentium, or that model you can say the uh, different types of models are available like Asus, Samsung, SP, Dell, etc. So all are the different types of computer, and that computer has manufactured with the help of the different types of manufacturing company. And basically laptop are very capable for the use. You can easily carry, you can easily transfer from one location to another location. That is the important thing about the laptop. The next one is, okay, come to find, I'm going to show you about the laptop also. Can you give me an example of the good laptop in this world? No idea. Wait. Give me an example of the laptop. Sorry. Give me an example of the laptop. No idea. Okay. About the laptop facility.
Matching video.
Where is the matching video? Wait. Give me an example of the laptop. No. Give me an example of the notebook. No idea. Okay. Actually, there is the confusion about the laptop and the desktop about the related concept. Okay, come to find. So it has been added by the different types of company. I have already tell you. I have already tell you about the related types of model, about the different types of laptop which is available in the market, and that type of related computers like Dell, SP, there is the Asus, many more are available in the market. That type of laptop we can utilize for the different types of purpose, for the different types of work, and that is depend on our budget. That budget we can invest for the different types of work also. Okay. The next thing is about the related concept and the terms of usage of the related types of activity. I would like to share one more thing. Okay. Okay, this is the figure from the yes, this one. Where is the, come to find here, then we will share. Okay. There is the another more picture I will display in your screen. Oh, sorry. Okay. About the related types of books, it has been in our books. There is another more example. Your workstations, network computers, notebook, your tablets, your tab that you can utilize, cellular phones.
Page number, sir.
The page number 40 and 41. The page number 40 and 41. The page number 40 and 41. Okay. It has been written here about the tablets. Tablets is also slim and lightweight computers. It is new types of internet enabled computer that works in a similar way to a smartphone with a touch screen and downloadable application. They first become mass market product in 2010 with the launch of the very first Apple iPad. Actually, the tab are available in the different types of related locations, and tab is also one of the related types of computer. With the help of this type of computer, we can also share the information by using your Facebook ID, by using your Gmail account, by using your different types of email account. We can directly talk by the using of WhatsApp, different types of related application also. These all are the tab. Cellular phones. That is that the cellular phones are available in our areas. About the iPhones, like different types of models are available in the market. Cellular phones is also a telecommunication device that use radio waves over a network area, and it is served through a cell site, a base station at the fixed location, enabling calls to transmit wirelessly over a wide range to a fixed landline via it means cellular phones. There are different types of works are available in the cellular phone. Number one, we can talk with the phone directory, phone dialer. With the help of the cellular phone, we can talk with the help of our family member by dialing the phone number also. For the same with the help of the same cellular phone, we can connect to the internet. We can send the information through the network. We can send our information with other friends by using the different types of related facility of the internet. So it's all are the related things which is available in the market. And okay, thank you. Okay, so it has been screening over there. These types of related types of computer are available in the market. That is very very important thing. You all are genesian. You can directly figure out the related things about the cellular phone. It has been written here. Wide range and fixed landline, fixed landline. What is called fixed landline? Your landline phone? Not exactly. For example, let me explain first. It has been written here. Enable calls to transmit wirelessly over a wide range with the help of the cellular phones. Your There is the such types of UTL mobile. With the help of the UTL mobile, we can directly call to your family member by using the dial phone. But it has been written here. This type of cellular phones enabling calls to transmit wirelessly also. Of course. Why? Because it is the land, it is the system of landline. There is no wire. We can connect with the tower to tower. We can talk here from our other family member at Kathmandu directly without wire. We can utilize wide range to fixed landline or via the internet. Also, we can talk. It has been written here. We can talk directly by using your dial system of your mobile, by using your mobile number with the help of the tower, with the help of the network, and the landline also you can help you utilize to talk. And the another thing, the internet is also you can utilize for the talk. With the help of the internet facility in this system, we can also talk with the help of the WhatsApp, Facebook, Viber, etc. In this network system, the cellular phones is identified as a mobile system consisting of the equipment and SIM card also actually assigned to the mobile telephone number. Without a SIM card, we cannot talk to our family member, to our friends. So it is the required thing. With the help of the SIM card, that cellular phones can connect easily in internet and with our family directory also. So it is depend on our behavior. We can purchase the different types of internet facility from the internet server, from the internet user directly. We can purchase the GB. We can utilize the GPRS. We can utilize the different types of 3G and 4G systems of our mobility systems from the different types of server like Nepal Telecom, Mero Mobile, etc. It has been said telephone number. A cellular phone is also known as a cellular phone or mobile phones. About the hybrid computer, it's a big one. Hybrid computer. Hybrid computer utilize the best qualities of both digital and analog computers. Hybrid computer are using their okay. There are hybrid computers are utilize the best quality of both and digital and analog computers. Why it is called the digital and analog too? because let me express, no need to make many more confusion. In aeroplane, aircraft, all the aircraft are using the hybrid computer, because hybrid computer is a type of autopilot computer. It can control the location of the target directly. Hybrid computer can easily target the missile very clearly without missing the speed. So now these days all the aircraft are using. There are two types of mode. One mode is manual mode. Another mode is auto mode. If your aircraft is in the auto mode, it can easily control the location, it can easily control the situation, it can easily control the state situation of the environment also directly. So it is the very useful, and the combination of digital and hybrid, combination of analog and digital are called hybrid computer. It has been written, hybrid computers utilize the best qualities of the both digital and analog computers. This integration obtained by the digital to analog to digital converter. In these computers are some calculations take place in analog manner, and rest